Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload high-quality video on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This quick and easy method makes sure your videos don't lose quality after posting. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once the app is open, tap the plus button in the bottom middle of the screen. From here, either record a new video or upload a video from your gallery. After selecting or recording your video, tap Next. On the posting screen, tap More Options. Now scroll down until you see Allow High-Quality Uploads and make sure this option is turned on. Once enabled, go back and tap Post. This ensures TikTok uploads your video in the best quality possible. If your videos are still not uploading in high quality, go to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Data Saver and make sure Data Saver is turned off. When this option is enabled, TikTok compresses videos, which lowers their quality. The last thing you should check is your camera settings. Open your phone's camera app, switch to video mode, and check the video settings. Make sure the resolution is set to the maximum available and that the FPS is also set to the highest option your phone supports. Recording in higher resolution and FPS helps TikTok process your video better and maintain clarity. And that's it. So that's basically how you can upload high-quality video on TikTok. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.